Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making prawn malai curry, which is colloquially known in Bengali as Chingri macher malai curry. It is made of prawns and coconut milk and flavored with spices. Take a look at the simple ingredients needed to prepare this dish. Without any further delay, let's get started with it. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt to 6 jumbo prawns or lobsters. As we are marinating the prawns, you go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Make sure you clean the prawns before marination, and for best results, use your hand while marinating. Add 1/3 cup of white oil and let it heat. When the oil is hot, add the prawns one by one and let it fry in high heat till they are golden red in color. Make sure you fry all sides, and when you see the prawns are perfectly fried, add half cup of warm water and cover and cook till the water dries completely. Now we'll start off with the gravy. Take 2 medium-sized onions and chop them coarsely and then grind them using a mixer. Strain them and keep the onion water only. Take 12 to 14 cashews and raisins and make a smooth paste out of it. These are the whole garam masalas. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and put the bay leaves, cloves, small cardamom and whole cumin. As you start getting the fragrance, put the strained onion water in it. Mix it and let it cook for some time. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix them all together and let it cook. Add the cashew and raisins paste. Mix all of it nicely. Add 1/4 cup of water. Add salt as per your taste. Put the fried prawns back in the wok. Cover and cook for 2 more minutes. Add half cup of coconut milk, which is readily available in the market. Or you can also use fresh coconut and strain the milk out of it. For a beautiful smell, add half teaspoon of garam masala and mix it. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream and mix it well in low flame. And your malai curry is ready. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.